To begin the installation, insert the 3ds Max or 3ds Max Design Install DVD. If AutoRun does not start the installation wizard, navigate to your DVD-ROM and click on the setup.exe file to open the installation wizard. In the installation wizard, click on Install Products. On the Select Products to Install page, the entries that apply to your operating system are automatically selected for installation. If you are using a 32-bit operating system, then only the 32-bit options are selected by default. If you are using a 64-bit operating system, then all of the options, including the 32-bit, are selected. If you have already installed any of the components listed, these items will not be selected for installation. If you do not want to install all of these options, simply uncheck the items you do not want to install. Please note that Autodesk Backburner 2008.1 must be installed with 3ds Max or 3ds Max Design 2010. Once you have made the selections on the Select Products to Install page, click Next to continue. Next, you'll want to review the software license agreement. So select your country or region at the top, and then review the software license agreement. You'll then want to click I agree to proceed with the installation. On the next page, you'll want to enter your product and user information. So this is the serial number and the product key that you collected earlier from your DVD label. You'll also be entering your name and the name of your organization. You will want to double-check this information to make sure everything is correct before you continue. Once the product has been installed, you cannot change this information unless you uninstall and reinstall 3ds Max or 3ds Max Design. So take one final look over this and make sure everything is okay before you're hitting Next. On the Review Configure Install page, again, you'll want to take a moment and review these settings to make sure everything is set up properly before you continue with the installation. Please note that by default, the installation wizard will install 3ds Max as a standalone license. If you would like to change this to a network license or change any of the other settings here, you'll want to click Configure to modify your configuration. Once you've set this up the way you would like the installation to proceed, you'll just click Install to go ahead and continue with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see a list of the products that have been installed, and you'll also see a message saying that each of the installations did succeed. Now that the setup is complete, you can just click Finish, and that will exit the installation wizard.